Hi guys, prepare a fruit dessert with me using only my right hand. Today is my day off. I was supposed to have my biopsy done for my arm and my mouth sore. But life is like that sometimes. So my off is wasted because as per life, dili available ang slot. So kapilan ako nag-rebook and I'm getting frustrated because life is hard when you only have one hand. So, watch me as I prepare this little treat with only one hand. So, yeah. So, quick backstory. December 2023, I was having a mouth sore, which I thought was just a normal mouth sore. But after waiting for like a week, because usually when I have a mouth sore, it goes away by itself after like a week or so, but it was getting worse. And then I tried going to the dentist. I think I went to a dentist in the Philippines. I also went to 3 dentists or 3 visits here in Dubai. But the treatments they recommended me were just like remedy or over the counter. So, really, wala siya na-solve. So, I was tired of going back and forth sa mga doctors and decided to just try any home remedies like oil pulling, flossing, improving my dental hygiene. But it wasn't improving as well, and by last month, it got worse where I felt like the ulcers were spreading to the front and it was getting more painful for me to eat, and like plain discomfort lang yun siya. So I decided to go for an ENT since dentists were not helping any treatment. The dentist appointment were not helping in any way. So after I met with an ENT doctor, she told me like from her point of view, I had gingivitis and it was a worse type of case kay nag-spread na lagi siya. So she was saying to me na in her point of view and in her experience, it might be rheumatologic in cause. So she followed up with a question if I had any joint pain, which coincidentally, I was feeling some kind of stiffness and tiredness sa akong joints. But I just thought of it like, sobra ra ko ka-tired kay for the past 2 weeks ato na time, I didn't get any proper rest because I was preparing for the flea market, so I was lifting a lot of heavy things, and I didn't get proper rest or proper sleep. Kay kayod lagi taday. So I just thought it was just tiredness from all the activities I was doing. So I didn't really give it much thought. Pero nag-click tanan after nag-ingon siya ato. So she recommended me to do a biopsy just to confirm or to see or to rule out whatever, to get a sample here. But girl, dugay kay ko makabook og slot. First, and also I was, so okay na to, nag-agree na ko na magpa-biopsy. Thankfully, na-cover sa insurance. But then, unexpectedly, nag-sick leave si Doc kay she had back pain and neck pain. And I had to wait a week. So March rolls in, I decided to go to an ortho. He recommended me some pain reliever medications, advised me to go back if after 5 days of taking medications, that once I stop them, if it keeps coming back, the pain, so I have to follow up. Pero wala ako nag-follow up kaya it was the same day my ENT doctor came back from her sick leave. So after that, I was hoping that by the following day, which is today, kay makabiopsy ko, but dili di ay. So moto, I woke up today with di man severe, pero the pain is notable. Na dili kay ko maka-lift. I can't lift any heavy items with my right hand. So I can only really use fully my left hand. So even lifting things like this, kanang pila ra ni ka grams, ma-strain akong arms, guys. My main pain is here. So now I have to wait for, I think, another week before I can get my biopsy done and know what I have and get treated for it. Okay, kapoy kayo. It's like I'm semi-handicapped, but I can't really say. So mo to, matandog lang siya in a certain way. It gets painful. It's like I have a bruise or a strain, and sometimes it feels tight, but I don't know. And occasionally I feel pain in my foot, but basin it's me overthinking, or it's my psychological self saying na nakoy something. So mag-wait lang yun ta sa biopsy para dili nang mag-overthink. So yeah, that's the story of my life until now and my health story, guys. So I'm making this. It's blueberry yogurt with pieces of blueberry, and I'll be adding honey para mas sweet siya, because I like my food sweet. So mga lang to, frustrating lang na it's taking me a while to get the biopsy done, to have myself assessed properly. I don't want to keep taking a lot of over-the-counter medications. Okay, unnecessary mo good siya. Labi na if long term, more than 5 days. I haven't more to. So we'll see how life plays out for me. Bye.